I'll use a clip remover tool like this and will punch in the tool in that corner right there to slightly pull it outwards. Just like that, you would notice it's coming out. Also pull out from the front side. There you would notice the switch panel is completely pulled out, and behind there is that main plug that we're also supposed to take out. Now using the same plastic trim remover tool, what I will do is we'll be sliding that red color tab upside. There it is. Once the tab is lifted upside, then underneath there is one more tab right there as well. And now what we will do is we will press and hold that tab right there and then pull the plug outwards. There it is, the plug is taken out just like that. Just to show you guys one more time, what we'll need to do here is press and hold this tab right there and then pull the plug outwards. With the plug taken out, right there is our master window switch completely pulled out. It actually comes with a big piece just like that. There is no other extra screw that you're supposed to take out. It's sold out actually one complete piece. In my case, the master window switch is good. I'll be installing it back, but in your case, if you have a new master window switch and you want to install it back, just make sure that you grab this plug and then make sure that the tab side of the plug is facing downwards. We'll go ahead, punch in the plug, then press it down until we hear a clicking sound. There it is, the plug is completely in. Once the plug is in, then we also press down this red color tab. There it is. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the complete master window switch back where we took it out from. We'll place it on the door panel and then press it down from top and the bottom until it goes completely in. Just make sure one more time it's completely in from both sides. Once in position, with that we are done with the replacement of master window switch for this door. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here is the tool that we used for this takeout.